is Livia. I'm an art intern here at CEI. Right now we're working on these land acknowledgement signs. The goal of these signs is basically to give like sort of welcome, a little bit of background to anybody who just walks in, anybody who first comes here. This one is going to be about our mission, what this land is for now, what we're doing here. This is a place of diversity and respecting all cultures. We're welcoming all people here, no matter who you are, no matter what your background is. This is a place for all people to enjoy nature.